Okay, let's jump right into this unboxing. This is the Tycka monitor I purchased from Amazon. It's a 5-inch 19 by 20 1080p screen field monitor, 4K HD. Okay. This is basically a warranty card they send with you. They have their website at the bottom. You can go and check that out if you need to. There's a user guide which comes with everything, and then we have what's inside this box here. Let's open it up and see. We've got we got the cold shoe mount. Here it is, that comes with it. Yep, very sturdy, looks good, not bad at all, well made, good quality. And let's just keep digging in here. Inside the box, you get your Allen key and an adapter for the tripod mount. And we continue on and we open up the battery charger, which is pretty good, nice and sturdy, typical, what you usually expect. And of course there's the to attach your cord to charge it with. And there we have the hood for your monitor if you want to use it outside in bright sun. I particularly won't be using it outside in the sun unless I decide to. This is for indoor use, but it's it's alright, not bad. It's plastic, a little felt on the inside, plastic on the outside, felt in there, Velcro will fit on the monitor like that. Yeah, not bad. Anyways, let's continue on, and we are going to see the battery that they send you, which comes with the package. It's not bad, pretty good. The typical, you got this for your most portable lights, and everybody has one, so we can move on. And then we have the cables, I believe. Oh, yep, there it is. That's the mini HDMI, which is the one I'm going to use for my Nikon Z6. And really good quality, nice gold tips, well wrapped. As you can see, we try to open the bag later. And then we have the cord for the charger. You could plug that in like normal. Everybody has these lying around. Comes in handy. And then we have the micro HD cord. So it's a meter long. This is not too bad. 1.4 volts, as you can see. That's if you need to use that one. And now let's check out the monitor. We're going to open this up and see what it looks like. Pretty good packaging, well packaged. I have to give them credit for that. So there we go. Open it up. Come on, there's a lot of paper in here. We're going to get this thing out and show you what it looks like. And there it is. Not bad at all. It's not too big. I love it. It's 5 inches. Won't get in your way. It has all the buttons on the front, as you can see. Button for the menu, to maneuver up and down, exit, power button, and different ways to attach to your rig. Your HDMI in. This is your power. HDMI in, HDMI out. And that's for your headphone, which we all need if we're doing video. And the back plates. It fits both the Sony and the Canon batteries, and there you go. It just slides right on in there, just like that. Well, a little bit tight, but we'll get it in. There you go. Not bad. Yep, and there's a button to release it. Push it out. A little bit tight, of course. Yep. Put it back in. You have to wiggle your way in. It's a little bit tight squeeze, but something's new. We're good. I like it. How you guys thinking? Think it'll work? I think so. Not bad at all. Good quality. I have to admit, this was only $159 on Amazon in Canada. Right now, unfortunately, it's not available, but I think it's one of the best buys I've seen for monitors out there. Some of them starting at $200. This one's a pretty good in your budget range. I would highly recommend it. Definitely. There's the hood on. As you can see, I have to say, I really like the way it's really turned out. Lots of accessories they sent you. And I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Let's just take a look at what it comes with. There's all the cables, and there we go. I could definitely work with this product. There you go. Yep, all the cables come with it in good condition. Gotta admit that. That's the stuff you want. Lots of accessories, well packed. You can use it with several. This is it on the mount. I'll let you guys take a look at how it looks. Enjoy. Hope you guys like the Tycka 5-inch HD monitor.